Thank you for choosing the Dannmar DT-50 tire changer. In this overview video, we will show you the proper method of setting up your new tire changer. For full, detailed instructions, please refer to your owner's manual. The first step is to mount the tower to the tire changer. Start by bringing in the tower assembly and unbolting the tower from the pallet. With the tower unbolted, you can carefully lift the tower assembly into place on the tire changer. Some assistance may be required. Next, make sure to line up the holes in the base of the tower with those in the machine. Once lined up, use the tower bolts and washers that you set aside during the unboxing to secure the tower to the tire changer. With the tower secured, you may now remove any remaining packing material from the unit. The second step is to attach the bead breaker. Once removed from the plastic bag, remove the nut from the bolt on the back of the bead breaker blade. This will allow you to slide the bolt out and mount to the bead breaker arm. Now, using a wrench and hex key, reinstall the nut and tighten. With the bolt secured, verify that the breaker blade tilts freely. Next, install the swing control. Using needle nose pliers, start by removing the plastic bushing from the weld nut and threaded hole on the side of the tower. You will find the swing control knob stored with the air regulator assembly, and at this point, can install the swing control by simply screwing it into place. The fourth step is to install the inflation control. With the control removed from the packing material, remove the two bolts along with washers located on the side of the tower. Next, align the inflation control unit to the mounting points and reinstall the bolts with the washer and lock washer in the same configuration as when removed. Now route the two air hoses down through the guides and finally into the push-to-connect pneumatic fitting already installed on the back of the tire changer. At this point, you can connect the DT-50 to an appropriate power source. A plug should only be installed by a licensed, certified electrician. Please refer to the manual for details. The next step is connecting the tire changer to an air source. Start by connecting the dry air outline using the compression fitting. To do this, remove the fitting from the port on the tower. Slide the fitting over the dry air outline already connected to the regulator and push the line onto the port. With the airline secured, screw the fitting back into place and tighten. Next, you'll need to install a quick connect air fitting to the air regulator and filter assembly located at the back of the machine. With the fitting of your choice installed, you may go ahead and connect the tire changer to an air supply. With all components hooked up, test the air and electrical systems by using the pedal controls, ensuring the turntable is rotating and the clamps function normally. Lastly, for your convenience, you'll find a bag of spare parts under the accessory tray. Other parts and accessories can be ordered through our website, www.dannmar.com. Congratulations! You're now ready to use your new tire changer. Refer to your owner's manual for complete operating instructions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for the latest setup, how-to, and new product release videos.